right, I'm going to use a scrap piece of floss that I have laying around. Something you need to know is that these skeins of floss come in 6 threads. So when you break these down, there's 6 of them. In instructions you might get for embroidery designs, it'll say 3 thread or 4 thread or 2 thread or 6 thread. That means it comes with 6 threads, so if the design is a 6 thread, you don't need to do anything, you just use this. But if it's something less, like 3 thread, you're going to need to split it out. This could be another tutorial, but do it slowly, because what happens is the thread tends to wind up on itself. So separate them slowly, do it one section at a time, and you'll get there without any knots. But what we're going to focus on today is 6 thread.